Here we are. And I believe that's it right there. It's the travel lift. And that's it right there with the purple. That's it. Yuck, what a miserable day though. Huh? Say hi.
Hello.
Hi. Very tall. Take a quick walk around. Well, we may end up leaving this shrink wrap on for a while. Looks like a lot of somebody's fishing in here. Look at that. This is our slip right there. That's where we'll be. Beautiful sailboats over there. What the heck is that thing? It looks like it's got a slide. Well, I'm sure we'll see some more of these things later. But man, it's cold. It's about I don't know, maybe 60 degrees. We're lucky. Wash ran pretty good though. Clubhouse, bathrooms, laundry / everything. Anyway, well, there she is. All right, here we are. This is what it looks like. We got a line that's taped up like that. We are near an airport. This is anyhow. We got a nice little shrink wrapped up, and that's it. No damp bags out there. Pretty cool. I see they got dryer sheets laying all around. I wonder if they know the mice like to eat those. That's what they did in my car. All right. Let's see what we got. Good. It's going to be kind of dark in here, I guess. I have to get used to these stairs. Here we go. Yeah. No, they took looks like they took the carpet. They had a nice rug in here. Oh well. Get another rug. That couch is going. But there's the top. There's this. And in the dark, I'm going to have to see if I can plug into the shore power. Hopefully we can. Kind of tough to see. Screen down. Well, it looks pretty good. I don't know. Let's see what's going on back here. Mattress cover. The head in the shower. The tub. Oh, good. They left the vacuum cleaner anyway. I get some stuff in there too, I guess. All right. Well, that's the first look. And we'll go from there. Hopefully it'll look a little better the next time you see it. Hey, have a great day. See you later.